Let's talk about oral hygiene. We give you a timer. The timer is 2 minutes. Please make sure all the sand goes down to the end while you're brushing your teeth. If you pick your timer up halfway or less than halfway and all the sand's not at one end, you're not brushing for the proper amount of time, therefore missing some plaque or food particles in your braces or your expander. We give you a travel toothbrush. This is so that you're able to keep it with you all times. You're able to keep it in your backpack or your purse or your pocket. You don't necessarily need toothpaste. You can wet it at the water fountain or the sink. Brush your teeth so that way you're not leaving any food particles or plaque in your braces or your expander. We give you a proxy brush. This is so that you're able to go between your teeth and clean out any particles or food or plaque that's left between your braces or your expander if you are unable to brush your teeth or if you brush your teeth and did not get everything out. The way that you use a proxy brush is that you're going to take the bristles and you're going to gently slide between each bracket, removing the plaque and the bacteria or the food from your teeth. With an expander, you're able to slide straight down with a little twist and you're able to clean through those areas. Now, mom and dad, you may need to help the child with the expander. They may not necessarily be able to see these little loops back here. The proxy brush is a wire, so if they poke back there without being able to see it, they may poke themselves. So please aid them with the proxy brush in cleaning their expander. We give you floss threaders so that you're able to floss your teeth. I'm going to show you 3 ways to floss. The first way to floss is to slide the floss straight under the wire, pull it through on one end, hold both ends. You're able to floss down, pulling the floss back out. Be really careful not to pull in either direction, breaking a bracket off. The second way to floss is using a floss threader that we give you. You can also buy these in the store. You take the floss, you slide it right between the floss threader, pull both ends even, and now you have an extended finger, per se, to go between the floss. You're able to slide this through. You're going to hold one end of the floss, and you're back between the brackets, sliding between each tooth and sliding out. The last way to floss is called a platypus flosser or an orthodontic flosser. These you can find online or on Amazon.com. The thin end is able to bend between the braces. The fat end that you probably have at home will not fit between the brackets, therefore forcing between the brackets and breaking a bracket off. So make sure they're orthodontic flossers. Just remember the skinny end is always towards the lip. You're able to slide the skinny end right between the brackets and flossing pretty easy and saving time. We do ask you to floss at least once a day in the evening, saving time. We also give you some wax. If something's bothering you, please use the wax and then call us if you're uncomfortable still. The wax will not stick if it's wet, so please dry the area, take the wax, roll it into a ball, and you're going to stick it to anywhere that's bothering you. The wax will stay most of the time. If you eat the wax, it's non-toxic and will not hurt you. But if you still need to use the wax a day or so, take the wax off and use a fresh piece the next day. Anything bothering you beyond 4 to 5 days, it could be something that we need to take a look and see to make you comfortable. If you're traveling, we ask you to take a large nail clipper with you. The wires are soft, and so if something breaks or the wire's bothering you, you're able to take that large nail clipper, come to a part that's bothering you, clip it to make you comfortable, and call us when you can. We give you a 5 bracket grace, so any brackets after 5 will be a $40 charge. If you have any questions, please give us a call